Hi friends, today I'm doing a mail call unboxing. After doing all of my silver videos, I got the itch to buy some more silver, so I purchased a 1 ounce piece. I purchased this from Tommy at Stacking NYC on Instagram. If you guys are on Instagram, give him a follow. He's a really good guy. All right, it says, Regina, thank you so much for your support. I was so glad to have what you wanted. I'm so glad to have what you wanted. Stacking NYC on Instagram. All right, guys, let's see what I got. He always includes one of his stickers with the purchase. Oops, it's a little bent, but it'll work. Oh, looky there. I have a 2021 to add to my collection. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to keep stocking and stacking your preps. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.